So the reason why I was getting all that noise was because of that guy right there. It's not the actual bolt. I mean, it is technically, it's the bolt, but it's the flex plate, or the starter alignment plate, I guess, if you want to call it that. I thought I had cut it back far enough that it would sit right on the outside of the transfer case here, and that, you know, it would basically sit in this gap between the mount and the actual T-case housing on the inside here. But you can see it definitely got smushed right here. So because it got smushed and I didn't check it before I mounted the T-case, because I was just in a hurry and whatever, crushed that. I'm hoping that I didn't ruin the seal. The bottom right here is a little bit wet, so I'm not 100% sure where that's coming from. Both fluids are red, so I can't really tell. So I'm gonna cut that out, and then tonight I'll get everything else put back in. Gotta love that. But and if anybody's actually watches this all the way through, if anybody has a twin turbo downpipe that they're willing to get rid of, I'm definitely interested in getting one. I don't mind this one, but these housings for the auto trans are way wider than the other ones, and the extended capacity oil pans sit out farther. So I mean, I have like close to 3/16 of an inch on either side. So if anybody has a twin turbo downpipe, let me know.